All right, welcome back, Philly fans. So here's part 3 of this journal journey that we are having to take here. And what we're going to do next is we're going to get into the printer, how to get this thing set up. So when you open up your box, you have this right here. Inside, you'll have the printer itself, and then you'll have a couple, you'll have a cord wrapped in a little baggie. You will have to get a wall wart for that one so that you can plug it in so that you can charge it. Once you have plugged it in, you will need to give it an initial charge to make it work. The plug for the back end there, that tells you how to, or that gets you the charge. There is one button on this thing. It is the power. Once it is charged, it'll start to blink. My finger's in the way, and there it goes. Okay, as soon as it turns white, it's on, it's warming up. Now it starts to blink that amber color, and that's meaning that it is searching for your Wi-Fi signal. All right, so at some point, let me switch cameras now. Well, actually, let's go ahead and open this up. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn this off for right now just to save my own battery so I don't have to recharge this. And so you just hold it again and that turns it off. There is a sliding door on this one. Once you open this up, and by the way, it will stop and then you have to pull it a little bit further to get it open. This is the paper slot. And so this is where we put in our printing paper. They come in these little packages. And so you're going to open up your package. And once you've got this, it has an idiot-proof part to it. And on this idiot-proof part, it says, "This sheet down." Okay, this sheet down. Here's what I learned about this. It's going to try and print on this, though. So yes, this sheet goes down, but you remove it. You remove it. Okay. And so there is a picture guide on the inside as well, but those go inside of the slot and you close it. So in other words, it's going to print and it's going to come out picture side up. And so if we are looking at those papers that I just put in, there's a little bit of printing on the back that goes down. Essentially, that's what happens on this one. All right, you close that in, and then that is your printer. It is ready to go at this point. I believe, what was that? That was like 10 sheets or something like that, I think is what happens. And so, all right, so we're ready to go. I'm taking out my wall wart from this one, and it's ready to rock. I'm going to switch over now to my phone. So I'm going to switch my cameras. And once you see my camera here, hopefully it will focus. Come on. There we go. So that's a little bit better. Okay. So with my camera on here, I need to download the Lean app, Lean, or however you pronounce this company where we bought this thing from. And so it is, you could see it right there. It's white with black lettering, Lean. That's it. So that's what you're looking to do. And you're saying, I don't know how to download an app. Well, ask one of your kids in the class and they'll help you to download your app. Once you're in, we are going to use Classic Print Photo. Boom. And it says, I need to add a printer because it doesn't see anyone. So it gives us step-by-step instructions down here. Now at this point, so you're just following these instructions. Hold the power button on your printer for 3 seconds. So I'm holding it until the printer turns on. Make sure that Bluetooth is turned on your computer. It's now blinking. So we've got that step done. I'm going to click next. Connect my printer. So it says, please go to the system settings and connect to Bluetooth. Open the Bluetooth page and connect to Bluetooth. So we're going to connect the printer here. So it takes you directly to it. Well, it's supposed to take you directly to it. Let's see, Bluetooth. Now, it is looking for something that will have this name printer on it. There it is down at the very, very bottom. There is the printer. So that's the one I'm going to select. Boom. So I've got that one. Now it is connected. So we're going to go back to our Lean app, however you pronounce it again. And now it is acknowledged that it is connected. Try it again. Connect printer. Let's try it again. Portable photo printer. Says it's connected.